Hey everybody, and welcome back to the Hair Lounge. My name's Angelina. We are officially in summer, thank God. But that means all of you clients and hairstylists out there are wishing for more blonde in our hair. We're getting a little more tan, so we like our hair to be brighter. But that also means damage on our ends. If you're wanting to grow your hair out or just keep your hair healthy, you need to start using some conditioning treatments. Today, we're gonna talk about how to do that and achieve that super soft, shiny look. Stay tuned. If you enjoy learning about hair, click the subscribe button and the bell to get notified for all my new videos. Let's talk why we need to use a deep conditioner or leave-in treatments. The reason being is when you are coloring your hair or bleaching your hair, you are pulling all of that natural oil out of your hair, making your hair strand weaker and weaker. The cuticle opens, that way color can goes in. Same thing with bleach. Your cuticle is getting completely blown out. So you need to actually make sure you're entering protein back into your hair. You're doing your deep conditioning treatments, your leave-in treatments to keep your hair feeling soft and looking shiny. Today, I'm going to be using the Joico K-Pack. This one is the color therapy since I do have color on my hair. This can be used once a week. I'm going to use it as my deep conditioning treatment, so I'm going to be leaving it on a little bit longer than what it says on the back of the bottle. It says 3 to 5 minutes, but I'm going to go ahead and leave it on and put a shower cap on my hair to show you how to do a deep conditioning treatment at home. My hair is freshly washed and conditioned already. If you need to see the tutorial that I have done previously of how to properly shampoo or condition your hair, just click this link up here and I'll direct you to that video. All fresh and clean. I did towel dry it fairly well, let it kind of air dry a little bit, but it is still damp. You do not want your hair dripping wet when you're doing a deep conditioning treatment because you want your hair to soak up all of that conditioner. So towel dry it, let it air dry it just a little bit, but like I said, it is still damp. Again, the Joico K-Pack Color Therapy. And I'm going to begin on my ends. The reason being is my ends are the driest. They have been on my hair the longest, so they're going to need the most conditioning out of this treatment that I'm going to be doing. Put just a little bit on my palm, I'm going to rub it in, and I'm just going to run it through my ends using my fingers as my comb. Again, I'm just kind of raking it through these ends, detangling my hair with my fingers. And I'm going to get more for the other side. Again, focusing on my ends. Make sure you're getting it all the way through. Now I'm gonna take just a tiny bit more and work it up towards my scalp. I don't wanna put any on my scalp, but I do wanna still get the hair close to my scalp. But since this hair is newer hair, it doesn't need as much as my ends. Again, just raking it all the way through. Once you feel like you've put a decent amount on your ends, then I'm going to clip up my hair. That way, we're gonna do a lovely shower cap. So, just twisting and using my butterfly clip. I will link everything that I'm using today down in the description box below. That way you have easy access to all the product that I'm using. Don't worry, I'm not affiliated with any of these products. It's just products that I like to use myself. Then we take our lovely shower cap, just a basic shower cap. You can get these anywhere, Walmart, Amazon, Sally's, and put it on. Making sure you're getting all those ends in there. The reason being for the shower cap is this is going to take the heat from my scalp or my head and kind of contain it within here. And since I twisted all my hair up on my scalp, that's gonna get the heat. The heat opens up the cuticle. That way it can absorb all of that awesome conditioning treatment that I put on my head. Again, you can just do it like this. You don't have to use heat or anything, but it does help if it's warm outside. You could sit outside on your back porch, let it sit on. You can take a towel and wrap it around your head. So this towel's a little bit small, but it could still do the job. Wrap it around, or you can take your blow dryer to it to kind of heat up or make the process a tiny bit faster. Or if you have a hooded dryer, you could also do a hooded dryer. I'm just gonna go ahead and sit outside. You wanna leave this on for roughly about 15 minutes. That way it can do its job, penetrate into that hair shaft, and then you rinse. So I'm gonna go sit outside and I'll be back. We're back from sitting outside, feeling good. I can definitely feel the heat on my scalp, and now I'm going to rinse. You're gonna rinse it out exactly how you would rinse your conditioner out in your shower. Again, click the link of the previous video that I have done. That way you know how to properly rinse out conditioner. Rinse it out really well. Focus on getting all the conditioner out of your ends. Make sure you don't leave any on your scalp, and I will be back to show you the results. Stay tuned. We're back from rinsing our hair out, and now I'm gonna go ahead and comb through it using my wet brush. Again, focusing on my ends, but as you can see, it is just combing through pretty easily. That's one nice thing about doing conditioning treatments on your hair, is your ends aren't as dry, so they don't tangle as easy. It doesn't take very long for me to comb through my hair now compared to how it was before I did the conditioning treatment. Again, this conditioning treatment isn't super intense. My hair is shorter. I did recently just cut it, and so I don't need something that's super conditioning. It's not super dry. So there are other products out there. If you guys have any questions about what product you need to use for your hair, feel free, leave me a comment. I'm more than happy to help you kind of narrow down the best product for your hair and your hair type. But this one that I did today, I could use once a week. And if I needed something a little bit more intense, kind of further through summer, I would probably use the It's a 10 Miracle Pack mask. So again, feel free, leave me any comments if you have any questions about what I did on my hair today, any videos you want to see. Hopefully this is something that you guys can kind of incorporate into your summer hair care routine. It definitely helps keep your hair super shiny, super healthy. No one wants dry ends in the summer or anytime. Again, thank you for watching. I love seeing you guys watch all these videos. Please comment. If you did like this video today, hit that subscribe button. It helps me out. And don't forget to hit the bell. That way you guys can get notified for all my new up and coming videos. And we are thinking about doing a giveaway. We've been kind of grinding and doing this for a while, and I think it's time to show you guys our appreciation of you coming and watching all of my videos. So if you want to get in on that giveaway, or if you think it's something we should do, leave me a comment and go to my Instagram. That's where everything will be for the upcoming giveaway, just in case you want to enter. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time. Bye.